Hi. I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for free in 2026 without a computer. So as you can see, I got the joystick so I can actually walk around from my house. I can change my character's speed. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it for your device. So you can also press on a Pokemon, it will take you towards it. So this is so cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is so cool, guys. So to download it, we just need to go to our browser and go to this website. So it's called modplug.net. So once you're on this site, you're going to see a couple of mods. So that's why I would honestly recommend using the search bar. So I'm going to type in Pokemon Go, and it should come straight up. So as you can see, there it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on the download button. And then before it downloads, it's going to ask you if you're on an iPhone or an Android. Now, there may be a verification at the end, but I already did it. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the button that says connect account. And you can read all about it. As you can see, it's 256 encrypted, instant delivery, and there's no risk of account ban. So I'm going to go ahead and press connect account, and now it's going to load. So before this finishes, it's going to ask me if I want full edition or custom. So I'm just going to do the full edition. I'm going to press inject now. So now it's going to take us to like the actual file page. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. So let's just see what happens. So as you can see, it says preparing. All right, so it says ready to import. So now it's going to bring me over here. I'm just going to go ahead and press continue. And it's going to take me over to that next page. So this is the last step. This is like the actual file download page. So you just want to go ahead, press the button to download it. So that button is right here. You can see it says get Spoofer and joystick now. So I just go ahead and press that, and then I'll get the Spoofer. So be sure to try this out, guys. It's super cool. I'm going to see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is so crazy. And I actually got the Spoofer. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. But yeah, it's super cool. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. But yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is so crazy, and it actually works. I mean, there are so many settings in here. We got the joystick. We got favorites, which are huge cities full of Pokemon you can actually go ahead and teleport to, which is so cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get it for your device. So yeah, this is crazy, and it's updated and everything. So as you can see, I can walk around with the joystick. So this is so cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you later. Peace out.